Here we have Jaspro Revive wickets and Woke Stalwart bat, plastic bat. For the first time we are unboxing, and I have Aditya here and Began. So let's see. It's a plastic bat. First time we are using it. We have to go a bit back because we have to take this out. You shoot properly. Our Bhuvanesh is our cameraman, and I will show Bhuvanesh the cameraman. He's the guy. Okay. So let's out. It's recording, right? Okay. So here you can see. Okay. So we'll just first take out the stumps, and we'll take this, and bat is there. Okay. Just keep it over there. These are the stumps. Bit far you can also show. Okay. So 3+1. Okay. This is the base. We have the stumps 2+1. So one can go here. Let's fix this first. Right, this is a bowling end. So you can see bowling end. And now this is the batting end. Make sure that this bails. See, just show here. This has to be aligned. It has to be straight because the bails will go here. So the middle one will be here. Make sure it's aligned and straight, right?
No, it's good up.
Okay, we can manage this, no problem. And this again goes here. Okay, and mind you, we have just show here one is we have bails as well. So sorry, just have to. Okay. So now here we go. Right, like this. So this is the bowling end. Now anything bat. This one is just show properly. The plastic bat. First time I have been playing wooden bat, but this is for the first time plastic bat. I thought it would be hollow inside, means kokla inside, but I don't think it's hollow. So let's see. Quite light, by the way, compared to a wooden bat. Keep this aside. The review first. Bit weird. It's not hollow inside, plasticky, and you have firm grip. Quite light, I would say. For tennis ball, it should work. And also, I have seen YouTube videos where they play stitch ball also with this. Quite thick, as you can see here. Right? So this for 870 for all this, as you can see. Right? Let us now play a bit. Okay? Thank you. Okay, so now let's try playing a bit. Okay, so this is the front end of the stump, and Bhuvanesh will roll, and that is the place where I am going to bat. So this is the bat, and I am going to bat. It looks good. No need to, no need to fix it on the ground. So it looks quite good. This is the bat. So I'll give over the phone, the GoPro to this guy, and just go from far. Quite light. Bit far away. Come this side. Yes. Yeah. I can see. You can see me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try. Plastic is on.
Yes, sir.
Some weird sound is coming. Not like wooden bat. Over to this guy. Yes, good enough for kids to play, but I'll not recommend for seniors to play. It's a big bat, but the sound is weird. Plasticky sound, very plasticky sound. It's good, but not that great. Wooden bat is only better. Wooden bat is only better. Yes, it is. The review is not that great. I am getting a wooden bat just to tell you the difference between a plastic bat and a wooden bat. Wooden bat, the sound you'll see. But this, I don't think it's good enough because I've been playing all my life with a wooden bat, not this plastic bat. It's thick, but that wooden sound comes. You lost the ball.
Ball did not one ball.
Okay. We have a old wooden bat. The feel is completely different. Like plastic is plastic, wood is wood. It looks nice, but I didn't like the sound. So let's keep it here. And let me play with this. It's completely different. Completely different. See? There's no plasticky sound at all, and the feeling is good. Last try. So, compared to this and this looks good, but it's not good. Wooden bat is good, but for kids and all, who wants to play cricket for the first time, second time, they can play this. They can try this, but not this. They can try this, but this is good enough. This is the best. Thank you. Thank you, guys.